In the sunny fields, what do we see? A big blue tractor, as happy as can be, rolling through the meadow, oh so bright, helping all the farmers from the morning to night. Blue tractor, shining in the sun, teaching us colors, oh what a lot of fun. Red is the barn, and green is the grass, with yellow sunflowers waving as we pass. In the big blue tractor we drive by a tree. Look at those apples, what color could they be? Red like a fire truck, so shiny and sweet. Eating healthy snacks is such a tasty treat. Blue tractor, shining in the sun, teaching us colors, oh what a lot of fun. Orange pumpkins grow, in the field they lay, colors all around us, brightening our day. Colors in the world we see, with the blue tractor, come and learn with me. Each color tells a story, each one's just right. Let's sing about them, oh what a delight. Blue tractor, shining in the sun, teaching us colors, oh what a lot of fun. Purple grapes hanging, so juicy and round, the rainbow of colors, waving where it's found. So thank you, Blue Tractor, for this joyful ride. We'll always remember the colors by your side. Let's wave goodbye now as we end our song. With colors all around us, we'll sing all day long.